Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler and I'm back. I'm back on the community site. So as you can see on the screen, so I actually was able to log in today. I had like 97 messages or notifications waiting for me, and I think I had a message from like May 6th or something like that. So if I haven't responded to you and you've made some comment, I'm nothing I can do about it, man. I'm not going back 2 months, right, to go find threads and that sort of stuff. I'm just not going to do it. Way too many to wade through. So I'm just going to start over basically. So yeah, here I am. I been answering a few forum questions. So yeah, so a few days ago, well, let's see, it's been 9 days ago, I got this update, right? Marissa Matthews and performance issues. They identified the code that was triggering the slowness. They hadn't resolved the login issues. I was basically trying like almost every day to see if I could, log into the community site. Finally got in today. So today's was the first day I was able to get in. I don't know if, I don't know how long it's gonna last, people. Could break tomorrow, and be, jacked up again. Who knows with this? But in the community site does seem fairly fast. It's definitely faster than it used to be. The quick measure gallery, that used to be one of the slowest pages to load. And now it's that's pretty quick for the quick measure gallery. So there you go. It's seems like it's back. We're back in business here, people. But again, I don't know how long it's gonna last. But happy to be back and answering people's questions and that sort of stuff. In fact, a lot of my ideas for content comes from participating in the community site. So, it's kind of it's a very much of a loss not to have it, and not to be posting information out there and stuff. So there's that, right? And then, I mean, it got me thinking though. I mean, this has been broken since early May, late April. So we're talking, oh, we're going on almost 2 months. Like it's been slow for like 6 months, right? And it's been literally broken for 2 months. And I think it was specifically tied to like Microsoft Live accounts, the logins and things like that. I think. I don't, who knows, man? I haven't gotten an update that tells me like what was actually broken, or that it's officially fixed. So again, this could all go away tomorrow, or the next time I hit refresh, to be honest. So yeah, but it got me thinking. It's like this is because I always have to think this way. It's like this is the company you want to trust your enterprise data platform with is the company that can't fix a website issue. One, just think about this. They didn't even know there was a problem, right? They didn't have any monitoring or anything going on in this thing to even like identify, oh, there's a problem here. It wasn't until I specifically called it out in the super user meeting, like, this shit's broken, right? They even did anything about it. So, I mean, this is the company that you want to entrust your enterprise data platform in Fabric, right? Is that they're not monitoring it at all. So they don't know when it's slow or when things are broken. They just don't know, right? And they have to have the users tell them when it's broken, right? And then they can't fix it for 2 months. Like, that's who you want to trust your data with, right? Yeah, it's a bad idea, I think. But what do I know? Well, anyway, that's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.